We welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a coin that holds a special place in both the history of U.S. coinage and the heart of the Palmetto State. It's the 2000 South Carolina State Quarter, part of the 50 State Quarters program that was launched by the U.S. Mint in 1999. So, what makes this quarter so significant, and what is its value in circulation today? Let's find out. The 2000 South Carolina State Quarter was the 8th coin released in the 50 State Quarters program, which aimed to honor each state in the Union with its own unique design. The program was incredibly successful, with over 147 billion quarters produced. But today, we're focusing on the design and value of the South Carolina Quarter, all released on January 26, 2000. South Carolina was the 8th state to be honored in the series. If you're looking for this quarter in your pocket change, let's take a closer look at the design. On the reverse side of the coin, you'll find a depiction of a palmetto tree and a crescent moon. The palmetto tree was chosen because it played a crucial role in South Carolina's history. In 1776, it was the site of the Battle of Sullivan's Island, where patriots defended the fort made of palmetto logs against the British Navy. Key victory in the American Revolution. Above the tree and moon, you'll notice the inscription South Carolina, with a year of statehood, 1788, and, of course, E pluribus unum, the Latin phrase meaning out of many, one. This phrase has been featured on U.S. coins since the nation's founding. And what is the value of this coin in circulation? If you find a 2000 South Carolina quarter in your pocket change, it's valued at, well, 25 cents, the standard face value of a quarter. But what about its collector value? Let's break down the circulated value of the 2000 South Carolina quarter. If the coin is in average circulated condition, you're looking at a value of about 25 cents. That's because, unlike rare or unique coins, state quarters from this series were minted in high quantities and are still widely available in circulation. However, if you have an uncirculated version of the 2000 South Carolina quarter, its value could be a bit higher. These can range from 50 cents to $2, depending on the coin's condition and whether it's part of a special set or collection. So, if you've got a pristine quarter tucked away in a collector's album, it could be worth more than just a quarter. There are also proof versions of the coin that shinier finish compared to regular circulation coins. If you've got one of these, its value can range anywhere from $1.50 to $5, depending on its condition and the current demand from collectors. Now, some people might be wondering, what about coins in higher grades or with unique errors? Well, coins that have special errors, like double strikes or missing elements, can significantly increase the value. But as of now, the 2000 South Carolina quarter doesn't have any major rare errors that make it extraordinarily valuable. However, it's always a good idea to check your quarters for any unique features or imperfections. To find these coins in great condition, you want to look for ones with clear details and no signs of heavy wear. If you're unsure about the condition of your coin, the grading system used by collectors might help you determine its value. There are many resources available to learn more about coin grading, like the American Numismatic Association, or online platforms that list current market values for specific coins. Whether you're a casual collector or someone who's just starting out, it's a great way to track the value of your coins and silver. While the 2000 South Carolina State Quarter doesn't have a high premium value and bidding wars are high in recent years, the 2000 South Carolina State Quarter does have a search module. In addition to any collection, have you found any of these coins in your change? Or perhaps you've started a state quarter collection yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Launched by the U.S. Mint in 1999, the 50 State Quarters program was an initiative to honor each of the 50 states with a unique design on a series of quarters. Each state was given the opportunity to propose its own design, with coins being released in the order that each state ratified the Constitution or joined the Union. This program was a massive success, and it was the first time in U.S. history that a coin series was specifically designed to represent each state individually. South Carolina's quarter was released on January 26, 2000, as the 8th coin in the series. It was released after Delaware's quarter, which was the first state in the Union, and before Georgia's quarter. This was part of a broader effort to educate the public about the history and culture of the states through coinage. The reverse tail side of the 2000 South Carolina quarter features a palmetto tree and a crescent moon. The palmetto tree is a key symbol of the state. both for its historical and cultural significance. The palmetto tree symbolizes the state's role in the Battle of the Crescent Moon. Was chosen as a symbol because it also appears on the state flag of South Carolina. It was adopted in 1775, and it represents the state's ideals of growth and the dawning of a new day for liberty. The coin was officially released in Charleston, South Carolina, marking the beginning of its circulation across the country. In the absence of a design for the coin was conceived and served as a signal for the country to raise its hand and respond to the coin's call. Like the other coins in the 50-state quarters program, South Carolina's quarter was produced in huge numbers, with millions entering circulation. The release of each state quarter sparked widespread interest in coin collecting, especially for younger collectors who found the unique designs exciting. The program helped fuel a surge in interest for coin collecting throughout the late 1990s and early 2000s. As the 8th state to join the Union, South Carolina's quarter stands out for its symbolism and design. It was part of a critical period in the 50-state quarters program, which helped the initiative gain momentum as the public eagerly anticipated each new release. South Carolina's quarter not only commemorates the state's rich history, but also ties into the broader narrative of America's early island. In 1776, during the American Revolution, the tree was used to construct a fort made of struggles for independence. The 50-state quarters program concluded in 2008 after all 50 states were honored. So when I say to these trees, it's a combination of pride that many people have. The program remains one of the most successful coinage series in U.S. history, with billions of state quarters circulating in the U.S. The South Carolina quarter, like other state quarters, remains a beloved piece of American numismatic history, holding both monetary and historical significance. In summary, the 2000 South Carolina state quarter is not just a coin, it's a symbol of South Carolina's pivotal role in American history. The design commemorates the palmetto tree's involvement in the Battle of Sullivan's Island, as well as the state's independence, growth, and enduring legacy as part of the United States. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coin content. And as always, keep collecting and keep exploring the history behind every coin you find.